Hey, what is up guys? It's Brendan here, and today we're going to be taking a look at some of the best free accounting and bookkeeping software solutions for your small business. And in this video, we're going to be breaking down and answering the question, do you even really need traditional accounting software in today's day and age with a lot of the new free fintech banking solutions that are out there that we're going to be diving into here in today's video. And of course, if you want to check out any of the companies mentioned here in today's video, you can check out those links linked down below in the video description. Again, some of which are affiliate links, which could be a great way to help out and support the channel. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the topic. Again, accounting software, right? Looking at some free options, some really good free software solutions that you can use in your small business for absolutely free. Now, they do come with a little bit of setup, but it can be a really good free alternative to a lot of the traditional accounting softwares out there that, you're forced down your throat like, you need this accounting software, right? Do you actually need it, right? Especially with how expensive they are today, right? We take a look at QuickBooks, the most simplest one, Simple Start, $38 a month. That's a lot for a new business owner, especially if you're just getting off the ground running with your small business, right? Intuit QuickBooks, very popular accounting software. It's very expensive nowadays. It used to not be so much expensive, but they get you paying monthly, and it really adds up a lot. Just for some basic automated bookkeeping and accounting software, I think it's still a decent option, but there are some really good free alternatives that can really work for a lot of beginner business owners who are just getting started with their business and don't necessarily want to, spend all that money, fork all that money out for a more traditional accounting software. Even some of the free accounting software solutions like Wave that I've recommended on the channel for a long time. They have a free version, but it doesn't actually allow you to automatically connect with your bank account. In order to connect with your bank account, you got to pay for the pro version, which is about $200 a year, or maybe $20 a month if it's not on some sort of sale or promotion, right? If you just want the auto importing of bank transactions, which most business owners, you're gonna want that when you're bookkeeping and accounting, because manual transaction keeping, while it's fine for some people, if you don't have that many transactions, maybe this is a decent free solution for you if you're okay with doing things manually. But if you're gonna be wanting the automation, you have to fork out some more cash. And again, depending on how many businesses you have, I get it can be kind of expensive. You're trying to save money, trying to cut costs. What else? What are some other alternatives, right? So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at a couple of good options. Now, these are actually business checking accounts. Now, these are different from traditional business checking accounts that you would maybe see with Chase, Wells Fargo, any other kind of traditional big bank out there, Bank of America, right? They all have their business bank accounts. But on the flip side, there are some fintech, more startup type companies that are offering these in business checking accounts that actually come with bookkeeping and accounting software essentially built in directly into them, that basically for free just by using their banking services. So this can be a really good way to cut some costs and save money on your accounting software, as where you really don't necessarily need traditional accounting software with a lot of these fintech companies that have come out today for free bookkeeping software, right? That are basically included as part of your business banking relationship or business banking package, right? Which is essentially free to do, right? So taking a look here, we have is Found is one of our top choices here. Now, if you want to get access to this page here, there's going to be that first link down below in the video description. Again, that'll take you right over to this page here. Now, this is the list of the best business checking accounts. And again, with banking, businesses obviously need, you obviously need different banking services than traditional individuals, where we break down some of the best business checking accounts. Now, these business checking accounts come with bookkeeping. They come with accounting software. So how does that look like, right? So taking a look here at our top choice is Found, and they actually offer built-in expense management and tax tools right into the software. You can also customize and send invoices for free. And as well as they have no overdraft fee, maintenance fees, or minimum balance requirements. So they are a really good banking app for small businesses. If we take a look here at Found, just taking a look at the pricing, right, we can go through a couple of, the what they offer in terms of the business banking, but I know you guys are watching this video really for accounting and bookkeeping, right? So it's, again, they're found basic, $0 a month, completely for free, and it includes bookkeeping, and that's going to be automated, right? It's going to be saving you some time because you're actually able to auto categorize those expenses and maximize the tax write-offs when it comes tax time at the end of the year and tax season next April, or just even for your quarterly estimated taxes that you may be paying. In addition, you also have the ability to manage cash flow with their pocket system, free invoicing, contractor management. These are typically things that you're going to have to, especially the categorizing of expenses. These are things you typically pay for on other accounting or bookkeeping software, such as a couple of the ones that we mentioned even in this video. So a lot of these also include like a business debit card, so it is more of a full traditional business banking solution. Again, if you're comparing it maybe to like a Chase business account or like a Bank of America, Wells Fargo, this is an alternative option where essentially your business banking is coming with the bookkeeping and accounting software, which, again, begs that question, do you even really need traditional accounting software anymore? With this solution in this video, what I'm proposing here, you don't really need that, right? You can get started with these companies. And now if you still want to use your traditional bank account, you're going to have to use their paid plans if you want the auto import of transactions. So I get if you're looking for something completely free, then you're going to have to, it's not, nothing comes absolutely for free, right? There's going to be some level of work. If something's available for free, then, it comes with some caveats, right? You may need to start using them for your banking, but if you want to just kind of consolidate things and not have to pay for so many softwares out there, this could be a good way to go, right? So you basically get your banking, bookkeeping, tax platform all inside one app. For free, right? That's what found, at least. Now, taking a look at another option in this list here we have is Mercury, right? Mercury Bank is another one that offers it, and they basically allow you to set up a checking and savings account, no minimum balance, no monthly fees. Again, that's another thing too, with a lot of the business banking accounts, even if some of them do have like some sort of quarterly reports thing in them, a lot of them have minimum balances, monthly fees on a lot of the traditional banks. So if you're looking to combine and get some, maybe some free bookkeeping, free accounting, that's another perk with a lot of these fintechs, right? They want to get customers, they want to get new business owners like you watching this video, and that's why they're able to offer these services, because they're trying to compete with the big banks that just have, so many customers at the end of the day, and this is how they can kind of compete in that way, right? To get you as a new customer. So essentially, right, none of that, right? You have unlimited payments, transfers, you get ACH wire transfers as well. So they are really good as a business bank. If we take a look here at their pricing, right, they have a $0 a month. That includes expense management, invoicing, bill pay, accounting, taxes. Again, all included in the Mercury $0 plan. So you get banking and finance essentials, right? Those financial essentials essentially include expense management, invoicing, bill pay, accounting, basically all the things that you would traditionally expect from accounting or bookkeeping software that you would now essentially be paying for on a lot of even, a lot of the different accounting softwares that used to be cheaper. This is a free way to get accounting software and bookkeeping, again, with the business bank that you're going with. So Mercury, another decent option. And moving in at number 3, just going over the top 3 in today's video, just to kind of round things out here, we have is Novo is another one. No monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements. They also have virtual card. They actually, funny enough, integrate with companies like QuickBooks, Xero, Stripe, other accounting software solutions. But they also, also include, if you take a look here, they include automated bookkeeping. So they have AI-powered expense categorization, which at the end of the day, most of you guys running a small business, all you really need is the expense categorizations for basic, needs, right? For basic bookkeeping, you just need to categorize your expenses so that when it comes tax time, you can divvy them out on your tax software and pay accordingly, right? You just want to know, and also just for better visibility into your business, because I understand the reporting aspect is also another nice side of doing proper books and accounting, is having the reporting. So you're able to see where you're spending in your business and budget appropriately for your business goals. You can see that. You can automatically set money aside for taxes as well, which is another side benefit here. But you're able to automate the bookkeeping, right? So Novo also allows you to do that. Again, completely for free, right? No monthly fees, none of that. and you're able to get access to, you know, a lot of the features that you would essentially be paying for nowadays in a lot of accounting or bookkeeping softwares. They basically lumped in for free with your business banking. So Novo is another good option here in this list, kind of going through a couple decent free bookkeeping and accounting software solutions. Again, it's a little bit, you know, maybe unorthodox to go through a business bank for your accounting bookkeeping, but this is a good way to consolidate the amount of different apps you're using, amount of logins and things like that, and just for to save you money, right? That's why I'm making this video, to help you guys get some free bookkeeping and accounting by utilizing these fintech banks and business checking accounts. Again, that's Novo, Mercury, Found are kind of the top 3 for this video. If you want to see the full list, again, you can check out, this is going to be that first link down below in the video description. But again, it really does, you know, with these software options, these are some good free solutions, right, for accounting and bookkeeping, where you don't necessarily have to pay QuickBooks so much money, $38 a month, right, just for their simple start. So if you're okay with consolidating your business banking and just moving some money and maybe using these for your business banking nowadays, you're able to basically get free bookkeeping and accounting on their free plans on pretty much all these for Found, Mercury, or for Novo as well. Again, free here. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful on how to get some free bookkeeping and accounting software solutions in today's day and age. Again, I talk about accounting and different small business software tools a lot on this channel. Again, if you guys found this video helpful or enjoyed it, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Anyway, guys, that's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.